Picture windows are designed to make a statement. With their expansive glass and unobstructed views, they flood rooms with natural light and create a strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. But while the design and glass technology matter, the true performance of a picture window depends heavily on how it's installed. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation is the key to ensuring picture windows deliver long-term comfort, efficiency, and durability. A perfect fit starts with precise measurements. Picture windows are fixed units, meaning they do not open. Because of this, they rely entirely on a tight, secure fit within the wall opening. Professional installers in Covington take detailed measurements before installation begins. Even small measurement errors can lead to gaps around the frame, which may compromise insulation and structural integrity. A precise fit ensures the window performs exactly as intended. Proper framing and structural support. Picture windows often feature large panes of glass, which means they can be heavier than standard window styles. In Covington homes, proper structural preparation is essential. Professional installation ensures that the surrounding frame is reinforced when needed and that the window is fully supported. This prevents shifting, sagging, or stress on the glass over time. Airtight sealing for maximum efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest benefits of modern picture windows, but only if they're sealed correctly. Professional installers in Covington use high-quality sealing materials and insulation techniques around the frame. This airtight barrier prevents drafts and reduces unwanted air exchange, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Preventing moisture intrusion. Moisture is one of the most common causes of long-term window damage. Improper installation can leave small gaps where water may enter, potentially affecting surrounding walls. Professional installation in Covington includes proper flashing and sealing techniques to create a watertight barrier that protects both the window and the structure. Ensuring glass performance. Modern picture windows often include multi-pane glass and advanced coatings designed to manage heat transfer. If a window is not installed level and square, it can place uneven pressure on the glass. In Covington homes, professional installation ensures the unit remains aligned, preserving the integrity and performance of the glass. Maintaining a clean, finished appearance. Picture windows are a focal point in any room, and their appearance matters as much as their performance. Professional installation ensures clean lines, smooth finishes, and properly trimmed interiors and exteriors. Covington homeowners benefit from a polished look that enhances both curb appeal and interior design. Supporting long-term durability. Windows are long-term investments. Poor installation can shorten their lifespan. In Covington residences, professional installers anchor picture windows securely and ensure that all components are properly aligned. This reduces the risk of future adjustments or repairs. Enhancing indoor comfort. A properly installed picture window minimizes drafts and hot spots near the glass. Covington homeowners often notice improved comfort immediately after professional installation. Seating areas near the window remain pleasant, even during temperature changes. Protecting warranty coverage. Many manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty protection. By choosing expert installation in Covington, homeowners safeguard their investment and avoid potential coverage issues. A foundation for lasting performance. Picture windows are designed to maximize light and views, but their true value depends on proper installation. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation ensures precise fit, airtight sealing, structural support, and long-term durability. By investing in skilled installation, you protect your picture windows' performance and enjoy beautiful, comfortable interiors for years to come.